Today is December the 20th. I want to welcome you again to danDier Investments, where we analyze my live trades and figure out how we identify our edge and extract money out of this market. So we begin on our 60-minute time frame, identifying a new demand level. Not a new demand level, but putting in a demand level rather. Trying to figure out exactly where our edge could be on this Tuesday morning. So we're not quite in a demand level yet, kind of in between, but we do see a downward trend. So we're trying to identify exactly where we can get our edge today. And this gives us our first trading hypothesis, a sell order, because we can see that we have this trend line here on this 15-minute time frame, and we always want to trade in the larger trend. Yes, we go down to smaller time frames to kind of pick our poison, pick our spot, and identify our optimal position, but we always want to trade in the larger trend. So we're looking for a sell order. We have a 15-minute time frame, trend line there, and now I'm just trying to put in horizontal lines to figure out exactly where we can have some support and resistance. But as we go down to our 1-minute time frame, we see that not much here, kind of back and forth. We have a potential area here. So this zone may be of interest because we had some bounces previously. And also this is the most recent resistance level. But I did find this trend line here. So this may be of interest to us. So let's draw it, see exactly what happens in this area. So now we have our trading hypothesis. We have some areas of interest. So now we're gonna just wait till 9:30. Let the market open, see what happens on the breakout, see if our trading hypothesis works. So I got some downward movement. And all of that movement was immediately eat up by a bullish candle. And now we can see the market just going back and forth. So this is often why I try to wait the first few minutes before placing a trade. People come in, it's a lot of back and forth movement, a lot of volatility, especially in this NQ market. So we just want to be patient, wait for our moment, and allow all this mess to kind of sort itself out, figure out if the market takes a initial direction. Does it break above this trend line and continue up? Or does it bounce off and continue down, staying in line with our trading hypothesis? So you see me put in a limit order here because we just had a wick touch this trend line of ours. So price still going down. Our trading back and forth. But what we don't want to do is ever rush. We don't want to just place a trade because we're scared that we're going to miss out on money. It's always going to be another moment. Always going to be another trade set up. Always going to be another opportunity for us to extract money out of the market. So let's just be patient. Price approaching the trend line, but we don't want to get caught with it blowing through. So we see we got another wick, not quite at the trend line. So this is just a signal that buyers are not holding the price. So moving my entry point a little lower, hoping that I can just get a quick shoot of price up near the trend line before returning down. Know I want to get filled, trying to find out the best position. Decided to leave my limit order here. Got filled. Stop loss is in a good position above the trend line. So I'm liking where I am in this trade. A 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. First target filled. I'm going to move my second target slightly back because we know that we can get some momentum down towards this area. Second target filled. Moving stop loss into profit. Guaranteed $2,000 already today. Another good day in the market. So now we're just doing a little bit of trade management. Stop loss is in profit. Move my target down. Trying to figure out exactly where price can return to lower. Don't have any resistance levels directly to our left. So we're kind of in no man's land, if you will. No strong support or resistance. So price can continue to blow through all of this area here. So allow my stop loss to be a little bit more conservative today. And give this trade a little bit more room to breathe. See if we can get some more profit out of this trade. So we're still on our trading hypothesis. One, as you can see, got our sell order. We are assuming that price is going to continue down due to movement on our larger time frames. And we can see that we're now getting some of that bearish movement. Now I'll continue to move my stop loss down, hoping that price returns to this pivot level here. Still want to give the trade some room to breathe, locking in more profit. And at that level, that's a guaranteed $4,000. Remember my 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So no matter what happens today, ended up being a great day. So price is going to come up briefly. Going to hit my stop loss, but continue to move down, but that's okay. Still end of the day, great. So with that being said, today's lesson is no FOMO, no fear of missing out. Give the market your price, and it will either take that price or the trade isn't for you. Never get caught in between trying to rush into your move. It never works out in your favor like that. Never experience FOMO, fear of missing out. So with that being said, end of the day, December 20th, 1 for 1, $4,711 in profit. Another great day because we were able to execute. And since you're still here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to get that notification bell so you're here next time that we're analyzing trades with danDier Investments. Until then, be safe and be great.